you doing? It's Johnny C. the Pizza Guy. I am here tonight in Palisades Park. Folks, I'm up in Bergen County. I'm with the Pizzaiola today, Mike, from here at Donna's Pizza, right on 404 Broad Avenue. And let me tell you, I met a good friend, Jimmy. He lives a couple of towns from here in Bergen County. He says, Johnny, I met him in Atlantic City. He says, Johnny, you want to have good pizza? You got to come to Donna's in Palisades Park. Never heard of Donna's, but being a fellow former North Jerseyan, not from Bergen County, but Essex County, I had to take Jimmy's advice. And I got to tell you, Mike, I came in, I asked you, what's the go-to? He says, Johnny, the Sicilian's the go-to. Folks, this pizza, you'll see pictures of it. It was beautiful. It was not too thick, very airy and light, but moist, but not oily. The crust was beautiful. It was a beautiful baked Sicilian pie, I gotta say, Mike. There's some beautiful history here, folks. Matty, the owner, dating back to 1965, opened up Donna's. Mike has educated me on that. The owner's family and himself come from Bari, Italy. And the recipes here date back many, many years. The cuisine here, I can only imagine. But I'm gonna ask Mike some key questions, as I always do. Mike, how many years have you been the Pizzaiola here at Donna's place?
Since 1982.
1982. It's many years, a lot of years of pride, and a lot of years of hard work, folks. And you mentioned the Sicilian, so most people go for the Sicilian?
Yes, Sicilian's a big seller here, yes.
Big seller. Yeah,
Yes.
well, I loved it. Me and Jimmy almost polished off the whole Sicilian pie. But we're watching our figures, especially Johnny C. So we didn't. But he said, take it home, Johnny, no problem. Because I'm bringing it back to Ocean County. There's good pizza in Ocean County. But folks, I mean, I don't know. Maybe there's a pipe under here running across the Hudson River to Manhattan. I don't know. But it is a special pie. You got to come to Donna's. The history, share with me a little bit about the history of the family. They came here first to this location?
No, he was in Hudson County first, and then he came up here in 1965, and he opened the place in 1965.
1965.
Right, here's pictures.
All right, so this is Matty here?
This is Matty here when he was young. This is Matty here. This was when he first opened from the local newspaper. They did an article, and this was the menu back in the day.
Look at that. A large pie. How much was that, Jimmy? A large pie, tomato and cheese.
$1.20 maybe. Back in the day.
$1.20.
10, 15 cents a slice.
Folks, the history, the recipes. I mean, Mike, I'm going to ask you. Can you share one secret, one handed down secret from Bari, Italy, with the folks? Is there something in the dough that makes it, that moistness? Is there something with the cheese?
We do a good job making everything. We do it with our heart. We do it with love, and we do it the right way.
I always talk about heart and love, and Johnny C's family lived it, and here at Donna's, they're doing it day in and day out for how many years?
54, going on
54 years, and Mike himself, many, many years. Hard work,
years.
38 years, love and dedication to the craft. Come to Donna's Pizza here, right on Broad Street, busy thoroughfare. Broad Avenue, right here in Palisades Park. And you got to come to Donna's. And when you come in, just say, Johnny C sent you. And as I always say, don't just eat, enjoy, recommend, and share. And visit me at www.johnnycthepizzaguy.com. Visit me on Facebook, Instagram, and check out my YouTube channel. Mike, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Keep up the hard work, and I'll be back.
Thank you.
I'll see you soon. Thank you.